How does assertive communication come into play in group situations? What can you do to assert control of the dialogue and ensure everyone remains involved? It can be tricky to be assertive when you're holding a meeting, engaged in a group discussion, or in a scenario where you're addressing many people. But there are ways to do so effectively. Learn how to convince or appease several people at once with our course on being assertive in group situations. This course will help you understand the dynamics of group conversations and use assertive communication to build win-win frameworks. Gain the self-assurance to speak up first and use that to your advantage. Become an active listener who asks thoughtful questions to produce an atmosphere of genuine consideration for others. And set up a system and deadlines to make decisions more assertively. Let's get you fully prepared to be the most effectual you can be at your next meeting, assembly, or convention. Show up with poise and confidence while being assertive in group situations.